and it is time on a cold day to go racing with the Pro Late Models.
So far, so good through turns number 1 and 2. Drag race into 3. Who's going to lead lap number 1?
The advantage is going to go to the 92Z machine, Dylan Zampa. Oh, trouble! A hard hit into turn number 1. It's the 48 machine, Calvin Hedge.
And I believe that's Hedgie in the 48, but what a hit in the outside wall. It looks like he climbed over someone's right rear, and we're getting even more damage coming into the caution.
Now, are you telling me?
Of Pro Late Model Racing, presented by Sigma Performance Services here at All American Speedway.
Hey, Tommy, what kind of restart is this?
This is a Leuna Feel the Power restart.
Nice.
Oh, okay, so Dylan Zampa out to the lead in turn number 2. So he made sure to reclaim that one. But we still battle from 4th on back.
Side-by-side, first side-by-side battle into turn number 3. It's Tyler Reif on the inside of McCullough, the 36. And now it's Beeler who moves his number 6 machine to the inside of McCullough. Single file in front of this pack. And door slamming in this pack. That's John Moore in the 27 machine.
I think he was looking to make it 3 wide there.
Oh, one car sideways and spinning out of turn number 4. And that is the 57 of Ryan Martin. Caution flies lap number 4. We've made it to 2. So we're averaging, 2 laps for every yellow.
All right.
So we're earlier we were at 1 lap for every yellow. So we're getting out of our rut.
Dylan Zampa, former winner here, leading this field so far in this short race.
Lap number 5 restart.
Oh, contact.
Yeah, I think Tyler Reif wants to go. Now that stacked up the whole field, and that just sent Dominic Lopez around in the 24 machine.
It's going to be one of those nights, huh?
For Dominic right now, he's, yes. Yeah, so the caution will fly, and yes, it will.
All right, well, it's time for another Leuna restart. Feel the power, and hopefully no more cautions.
Oh, yeah. 7 laps to go, or excuse me, 7 laps in. Now in that restart, Tanner Reif tried to hold the outside on the 92 of Zampa. Zampa was just able to clear in time, but perhaps that 43 is starting to learn. That's Tyler Reif into Mike Mitchell.
Reif there, Mitchell tried. And now McCullough is going to try to make a move in that 36.
Tyler Reif is on a mission, and he is taking no prisoners right now.
He read the signs, don't pick up hitchhikers.
It's McCullough in the 36, the 92 of Zampa, and around goes Martin one more time. Slight stack up into turn number 1. Looked like the 57 jumped on those brakes, trying to avoid, and it brings out caution number 25 here on lap number 11. Lap number 11 here at All American Speedway, and it is looking like one of those races for the Pro Late Models. So strap yourselves in at home, buckle up, because we'll see how clean things go from here. We've seen some movers early on in this race, including the 7 machine of Tyler Reif. But for those drivers that are stuck in the back of the pack, it is evidence that you do not want to get stuck back there. Seen some smoke coming off of the 2 machine of Hans Beeler. A lot of smoke now.
Oh, yeah, something's going on. Is that tire rub you feel?
Given the front end damage, no. Given the car sliding around, no. Oh, and one with a flat right front, it seems. The 57 off the pace. That is Martin. And that is flat. And I don't think he's going to make it off, so. Are we going to see a yellow here, lap number 30? I don't think so.
No. No caution.
Now, as this car, turn number 4, Christian Bazin. I don't know if that car was off the pace or got help from the leader, but had a moment right in front of Zampa.
Got a battle into one, the 36 and the 27. John Moore on the rear bumper now of Travis McCullough.
Battle for 4th.
Actually, that's a 3-car battle. Nope, I lied.
Well, it's about to become a 3-car battle. Galswick is a lap down in the 28 machine, but McCullough in the 36 and that red 27 machine of John Moore are going at each other. And trouble for the 8X machine. Aiden Daniels has pulled his car off track. And we just referenced his battle that he was having with Seth Wise. So Daniels was running in the top 10. Off the track he goes. So the 88 machine at Gilbert, he just went 1 lap down. 40 laps in, 35 laps to go in this 75 lap main event.
So, we talked at the beginning of this race, double duty drivers, double dippers.
Yeah.
And these two are battling here, the 27 of Moore, the 36 of McCullough, trying to swap spots. At least John Moore is trying to make that happen. And these two doing double duty. So the 36 of McCullough, who's ahead of Moore, is 27, running the modifieds here in just a couple races at the racetrack. And the 27 of John Moore going to run in the Spears Southwest Tour Series later on tonight. So, I don't wonder if they're getting a good read on this racetrack. As
Here comes Moore.
to the inside.
There's a reason that Moore rhymes with Gore. White flag in the air. It's been a wild one here at All American Speedway for the Pro Late Models, but once they got in their groove, they got it done all the way. And the one who led it, Dylan Zampa in the 92Z machine, dominates at All American Speedway.
Into 3. We're not done with this battle yet.
Oh, boy.
And it will be Mitchell holding off Beeler and Wise.
Good race amongst those 3.
And he's climbing out of the race car. How about at Roseville for Dylan Zampa?
You know, I just got to hand it out to my crew. They busted their butt this weekend and the last month to get the car repaired from Irwindale. So just can't thank the Zampa Motorsports crew enough. And All American Speedway is just a great track to race. And thanks to all the fans for coming out.